Hello everyone, welcome back to Rathbone Manor and the studio. Today we've got an unboxing video. I was watching Tool Addict last week, and he'd had a delivery in from Resto-Rob, and he mentioned that in that package was also a couple of bits for myself, and they're in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my new knife, and we'll have a look exactly what Rob has sent over. It's quite a heavy package, so let's see what we got. Right, let's very carefully try and get into it then without damaging anything inside, because it looks like Ben has packed this really well. So I'd like to thank Resto-Rob, and I would also like to thank Ben for sending it over to me. Whatever we got in here, let's have a look. Oh, this is an easy way of doing it, hopefully. Oh, what else we got? I don't know what's in here, guys, so we'll have to wait and see. Let's tip it out and have a look, hopefully. Oh, look at that! Wow! What else have we got in here? Come on, out you come. Oh wow, look! Oh. 6-inch adjustable spanner. Is there anything else hiding in here? No, there isn't. So we'll chuck that over the camera onto the floor. So I've got well, I'll tell you what, let's move the camera back again. Okay, where I was. Oh yes. So I've got a little 6-inch adjustable here. It's got somebody's initials on it. PS. PS? Looks like PS to me. Wonder who PS was. That's quite a nice little adjustable. What else we got then? Another little adjustable. That could be Peugeot. Okay, so what do we have here? 15 centimetres or 115 millimetres. Yes, can't read that being an ignoramus. 14 millimetres. Oh, it's got a little ring spanner in the end as well. Look at that. Cool. Look on this side. Vanillin. So I wonder if it is Peugeot then. It could be. Cool. What else we got here? Hang on. Right, that's better. Got an auto wrench. 9-inch auto wrench. It says there 9-inch. Look. Any other markings on it? No. That's nice. I like that. Runs quite nicely too. And then we've got this thing here. Look at this. As used by Bugs Bunny. Wicked. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I've got a name on here too. Does that say? Can't quite read that even through the camera lens. I'll put a photograph. I'll get a better photo of this and we'll have a look. Cool. Nice wooden handle on it. That's an old one, isn't it? Nice, like that. Okie dokie. So I guess they're from Ben. Thank you very much, Ben. I would imagine. Thank you very much, Ben. What have we got here then? There we go. Nash Rathbone 1. Okay. Ah, yeah. Nash Rathbone 2. What have we got in here then? Let's have a look. It's quite exciting, isn't it, guys? Ooh! Slip joint pliers. Forged in the US of A, and there's also a little mark on there as well, and a 7 by the looks of it, a little harp and a 7. Forged in the USA. Forged in the USA. Oh, they look nice. Cool. So these are from Resto-Rob, so thank you very much, Resto-Rob. These look very nice indeed. Quite like those. He knows I've got a bit of a thing for slip joint pliers this year, since I couldn't find many footprint wrenches. That's quite nice. Oh yeah, very nice. I like those. What's up next? Oh, here we go. Come on, out you come. Well, looks like it could be. Oh, come on, I want to get in. Come on, let me in. Can't get into them quick enough. Careful cut just there. It's like Christmas, isn't it, guys? Come on, out of it. Right, thank you. So what have we got here then? Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, so it's a Crescent Tool Company. We've got motor something there. I can't quite make that out. Motor something or other. Jamestown, USA. Is that all the markings on it? Yes, it is. Motor something or other. Motor kit. I think that's motor kit. So it's obviously out of a vintage car of some description, or like wouldn't have been vintage when these were supplied with it. Oh look! Oh yes, now I like this crosshatch on the jaws there. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, got different handles on. Look, cool. In fact, that is a screwdriver, and we've got the checker dot finish there as well. I like those. They're nice, chrome plated. They're really nice. They are. So, thank you very much, Resto-Rob, for sending those in. Very nice. I like those. Cool. Definitely going as part of my collection. Both of these are. And we've got some nice old wrenches here as well. I haven't got anything by, I'm sure it must be Peugeot. Because you'd think with Van Lion, it would be Peugeot, wouldn't you? They could do with a bit of a clean up by the looks of it, a bit stiff, but I quite like this ring spanner in the end. That's quite good. I wonder who PS was. It was his spanner at one point or other. Looks quite a nice one, even if it wasn't marked. You'd wonder why companies don't put their mark on these things, wouldn't you? Really, it's the most strange thing to do, if you ask me. Right, and then a auto wrench, or monkey wrench as we call them. Can't see any other markings on it. Nice, like it. And Bugs Bunny's favourite weapon. Bugs Bunny's weapon of choice. Nice, like that. Alright then, quite a nice little haul. I'll have to take a look at these later on this evening. I quite like the look of this thing here though. I'll have to get a, what's it say? I'll get a photograph of what it says at the top here. Can't read that. But yeah, thank you very much to Resto-Rob for sending me in some more pliers, my favourite. These are nicely chromed, aren't they? I wonder how old these are. CT, I would imagine it's quite old with the old CTO logo there, or CTC logo there. Quite old. And I'll have to try and find out who made this pair here with a little harp and a 7 on them. No screwdriver on these ones though. Nice, like that. So I would like to thank both Resto-Rob and Ben, Tool Addict, for sending these in as well. I wasn't expecting these, so it's a nice surprise for Christmas. Thank you very much, Ben. See what I can find out about these. Oh, excuse me. Alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed popping around to Rathbone Manor, taking a look at my very exciting unboxing from Resto-Rob and Ben the Tool Addict. Nice, very nice indeed. Alrighty guys, well thanks for popping over. Thanks for taking a look at these tools. What a nice surprise. And I will catch you back here at Rathbone Manor at some point in the future. Anyway, I'm off to have a look at these little fellows here.